So this is Auntie's nails, and this is the third backfill. And as you can see, some of her nails are actually growing out already. And what I'm going to do is I am able to clean under her nails now since it's starting to grow. And my goal is to really minimize the discoloring of her nails. And I know when you guys are looking at these colors of the nails, you guys are going to say that is fungus. She needs to go see a doctor. And yes, that might be true. But at the end of the day, it is her nail. It is her body. She has the say in what to do with it. As a nail tech, we cannot just force a client to go to the doctor if they don't want to. But of course, I do give her recommendation how she can maintain her nails, and I do ask questions every time she comes back on her condition of her nails. But from my perspective, this nail has gotten a lot better from where she started. If you guys go back on the first video, her nails looks like roots and they were looking like very rotten. To me, the new growth of her nails is looking more healthy. And yes, the color of the nails can be changed, but that also based on the damage that her nails and her hand has gone through. This is the hand that she utilized all the time. The other hand is disabled. So you can tell this hand goes through more work than the other hand. But with all this cleanup I'm doing, my goal is to really see if I can change the color of her nail and bring healthy nails back for her. And of course, as times fly by, if we see any other situation, I will highly recommend her to go see a specialist. But as far as right now, is maintainable. She came to me to share life story and really help each other out to get better in life. Hopefully she maintain her life and her nails will go along with that.